autofocus. Moreover, the Pixel 8 has a telephoto mode, while 8A doesn't. These selfie cameras are also slightly different, but in my opinion, it is safe to say that you will get the same results with both of them. Both phones will allow you to record stabilized videos at 4K with either 30 or 60 frames per second. In conclusion, let's talk about price and what phone to choose. The starting cost of Pixel 8 is $700, while Pixel 8a is going to set you back about $500. Considering the fact that, as we have just figured out, the devices do not offer too much difference, picking 8a and saving $200 should be a no-brainer, right? Unless you really need that telephoto lens though. Well, since the Pixel 8a has just been released and Pixel 8 has been on the market for over 7 months at the time of recording this video, it is not rare to come across deals that offer Pixel 8 at about $550 to $570 to $600. Now, the choice is not that obvious, and paying a little bit extra and getting a little more advanced version doesn't seem like so bad of a bargain. But, once again, the choice is completely up to you and your needs and/or preferences. Regardless of the model you will go with, it is a guarantee that you will get an awesome and well-balanced smartphone that will serve you well for at least next 7 years. And well, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.